In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to create a playlist on YouTube Music. Let's get started. First, launch your YouTube Music. Then you can head over to the song that you want to add to the playlist. Once you have selected the song, at the top right corner of the song, you're gonna find three dots. Click on that. Now select the option Save to Playlist. Now you're gonna find these options. You can click on the option New Playlist, give it a name. Likewise, you can click on this drop down and select your privacy settings for this playlist. After you do that, click on the option Create. With that, the playlist has been created and the song has been added to the playlist. Likewise, navigate to the library page. From here as well, you can create the playlist. All you have to do is click on the option New. Now click on the option Playlist, and from here you can create it. After you create it, you can manage your playlist. You can add songs, likewise remove it. And that's it. Now you know how to create a playlist on YouTube Music. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.